Hello students, today we discuss about Oracle Apex SQL software. So in the Google you just type apexoracle.com, then after that you have to click on this given link. As you click on this, you got this one on your Chrome browser. So after that you just click on start for free today. So when you click on this, it will drag to you get Apex. So over here you just request a free workspace. So basically in this case we just create some database over here, this Apex platform that is by Oracle, and in that database we just use SQL queries. So when you click on this, you got this type of interface. So it is request for workspace. So you just enter your name, your last name, your email ID. In my case I just use this. I just put some workspace name. You just use numeric and alphabetic values over here. Do not use @ and special character to create workspace name. Then put your location. In my case it is India, so it is up to you. Are you new to Oracle? I just put yes. Do you plan to use Apex for education or training? I just yes, I agree. Just click on request workspace. After that you just got this type of message. You will receive an email to activate your workspace. Okay, after that you just got this type of mail. In my case I got this is my workspace name, and this is my email ID, and this is my environment. After that you just click on this create workspace. When you click on this, it will drag to you a new page where you can create your password for your workspace. Okay, so after that you got this type of link. Over here I just create my new password. So after this you just got this type of interface when you log in to your Oracle Apex. I just log in. As you see, Salim Khan, my workspace name Khan 70800. Over here you got this type of interface. In this you got app builder. In this you got app builder, SQL workspace, team development and gallery. And we in this course we will focus on this SQL workshop. Okay, so you just click on this SQL workshop. So over here you just go to SQL workshop, then utilities, then sample database. After this you just install employee/department table. When you just click on SQL workshop, then go to click utilities, then go to sample database. In the sample database you got this type of data. As you see over here, in my case I just install this employee data, click next and create application for this. Okay, so when I create this data, I got this type of interface. When you click on SQL workshop, so my department data is created, my employee data is created in my SQL. Okay, and we want to work on this SQL command. Okay, so over here I got this data. If you want to work on this, so first command is our select. It is mostly used, and from. As you see, I just use these two commands, select and from. So just check how we can use it. So you just go to SQL Workshop. In the SQL Workshop, you just go to SQL commands. Over here, when you go to SQL command, over here you can write select job from employee. In this case, I just have two tables, that is DEPT and EMP. It contains department information, it contains employee information. Okay, so and both have some schema. In these two cases, I also show you. So using this command, this will select schema from employee table. You can use this format. As you see, I got president, manager, analyst in my employee table. So I just use this. If you want to work on multiple schema, so just put comma separate like SELECT, select like job, comma, salary, comma, ename from EMP. Okay, using this command, you can got job, salary and ename, or you can say employee name. Ename stands for employee name. So employee name is King, his salary is 5,000 and he is the president of my company or my database. And Blake salary is 2850 and he is the manager. Okay, so you can use this command for multiple selection. So next, it will print all the columns and its value. If you want to print your complete data, you can use select space asterisk space from employee. Using this command, your entire data of employee table comes over here, like it contains employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, its salary. Okay, so it contains all the data. So next, when I use this asterisk command on the department, select asterisk from department, I got department number, department name and the location where it is located. As you see, the department number 10 is related to accounting and it is placed in New York. Okay, so using this command, you can find out the complete data inside the table. So over here, we have query to find only information related to column, department name and location from the department table. So for that, you just select the name, comma, location. You just use the same name as you provided or as given in the schema. So in the schema, it is given dname and dname for the department name and LOC for location from DEPT. Okay, and it will give you department name and location. Okay, so here you can see that the jobs are repeating and as different persons are acting as manager or analyst or salesman. As you see over here, we got manager, analyst, salesman. So if you want to print or you want to check how many different jobs are there, so you just use distinct before the job. So as you see over here, I got select distinct job from employee. It will only print single name for the same entry like analyst, clerk, salesman, manager president. So using this command you can find out how many jobs are there in your company. So you just use distinct. So after where, condition, put column name and equate it with the value you need. Remember, it's case insensitive. So when you find out, like I want to find out the manager, only just manager from my database. So you just put select asterisk, it is for complete data from employee where job is equal to manager, and this manager should be same as in database. Means it is, if it is in capital, so you just put capital letters. If it is in small letters, you just put small letters. So using this command you can find out how many managers are there in your database. If you put salesman over here, it will provide you the salesman data. And as you see, when the table is created, there is a download option over there. You can download your file from your database and it will create a CSV file. Okay. So if you have multiple conditions, then use and after where. So in earlier case we just use where select command, from command, where command, and now if we have multiple condition, like I want to find out the salesman whose salary is 1600 and com is 300. In that case you just use this format, select asterisk from employee where job is equal to salesman and operator and sales salary is equal to 1600 or 1600 and com is 300. Using this you can find out, over here is the result, that Alan is the employee who is the salesman and his number is 7698, his hire date is 02/20/1981, his salary is 1600, and basically it will give you the complete data. When you use asterisk, it will give you the complete schema of that employee, okay, or of that data. So in this lecture we will discuss, or we discussed, select command, from command, where and command for the condition. In the next lecture we will discuss about further different commands of SQL. Thank you.